Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the low volume problem on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So open up the settings. Now we need to go over to the sounds and vibration, and after that let's go over and go to the volume section, click on show more, and here we need to make sure that music, videos, games and calls are up to the max. Now you guys can also set it up to your preference, it's totally up to you, but I like my settings like that because this way I can definitely detect the low volume problem being fixed. So after that we have the do not disturb right here, and we need to make sure that it's disabled. Now when it's enabled, then everything will be silenced, so notifications, calls, and if you have any alarms set, then they will play as usual. So disable the do not disturb mode, as it can also cause the low volume problem. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker or a charging port if you're using the headphones. So if you're using wired headphones, then clean the charging port with a soft brush, and same goes for the speaker grills. So here we have the first one, and right up top we have the second one. Now after that, after cleaning both of the ports, and sorry, not the ports but the grills and a port, what can we do? We can restart our device. So hold the power button, and after a second we should see our menu pop up. Click on restart and tap again to restart the device. Now I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to the settings, now scroll down until you guys see system and updates, and here click on software update right up top. Now it will check for updates automatically. Your software is either up to date like mine, or you will have an option to update it. So first download it, then install it, and then your phone will simply restart, and the process takes around 15 minutes. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.